here's how we can edit and trim videos on the iPhone step by step. Let me show you exactly how it works. And if this is your first time here on Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. So the first step is to have your video ready. So, you open up the Photos app and locate the video which we want to trim. So you can click on it to make it go full screen, and then tap on the button below. It is this edit button with like 3 lines and like these controls button type of thing. You click on it and that's how you can go to the edit mode. So the edit consists of multiple different categories. For example, you can make the video muted, right, by clicking the mute button, or you can tap on some filters in here and apply a different filter to the effect, or click on adjust and change things like the highlights, shadows, and all of those indicators like, different parts of the image might be changed and adjusted. But if you specifically want to trim the footage, meaning that you make the video like shorter by cutting out some parts of the shot, you can click on the video button below, and you can see we have a little timeline below. So now we either grab the left edge or the right edge and slide it toward the middle. So you can see exactly how the footage changes because we basically remove some parts of the clip and only keep the one selected in the yellow window. So that's how you can trim the videos on the iPhone, and now all you have to do is just to click on done to make sure that the video gets saved. This gives us 2 options. We can either apply the changes to the original video and change it this way, or we can create a new copy with the changes applied, making sure that we have 2 videos. One is the original and the second one is going to be the trimmed version. So it depends on how you want to have it. That's how you decide. But this is essentially all that I wanted to show you in this video. I really hope that I can help you out with it. In case of any questions, you can leave them below in the comments. It's possible I'll make an updated video about this to address it. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the future videos as well.